I had known what I know now, I would have never let you go. Somehow, the thought of losing you cuts like a knife. Now I see you're the love of my life. I try to let you go, but the more I try, the more I miss you so. I need a second chance to make it right. In my dark world, you were my light. My little baby, I want you back. I can't go on without you. I've lost my track. I need you here with me by my side. Please come back to me. Let's turn back the tide. I need you here with me by my side. Please come back to me, my little baby. I never realized how much you meant to me till you're no longer in my routine. Your presence brings me joy and life.
There's a note.
Who could have kept this child here? Help a helpless mom.
Help a helpless mom. I know that. Babe, I think we should, what do you think? I think we should take her in.
Anywhere.
No, we can't leave her here. We don't know who.
So what are you insinuating?
No, I know that we've been trying for a child for a while, but we could adopt her.
No way.
This could be the beginning
You
of...
cannot take this child into my house.
This could be the beginning of good things. We never know.
No! Call the police or the estate management to come take this child. Do you want somebody to come to this house and call us and start saying that we have stolen their child? Come on, baby. We can't take this child. What are you saying? Please, let's go.
No, wait. We're trying for a child. This, who knows, this could be our breakthrough. And we could...
Babe, you're joking. You're joking, right? You will not touch this. Whoever owns this child should come and pick this child up. Let's go in.
Just wait. We can't leave her here.
Call the estate management to come and pick this child. Do not take this evil child inside my house. You're not going to do it.
No.
You will not take this child in.
We're going to adopt this
No
child.
way. You will call the police or the estate management to come and take this child. This evil child will not enter this house. Where do you think you're going?
Stop. Don't do this.
Where do you think you're going?
A scene. We're outside.
You cannot take this evil child inside this house. Do you know who dropped the child here and why they dropped her? Please call the estate management or you call the police to take the child in. No, I'm not going to let you do that.
Don't do that. Don't.
Babe!
If I had known what I know now, I would have never let you go. Somehow, the thought of losing you cuts like a knife. Now I see you're the love of my life. I try to let you go, but the more I try, the more I miss you so. I need a second chance to make it right. My little baby, I want you back. I can't go.
Look at my angel. How are you? How you doing? How was school today? Huh? Was it good? Huh? It was? Let's see what you do. Okay. Have you eaten?
No.
Why? Where's your mom?
She is in the room.
And she didn't give you food?
She hasn't come down since I came back from school.
Why? Okay, just hold on. I'm coming, okay? Christabel! Christabel!
Hey babe, you're back.
What is it?
What is what?
Why hasn't Adugo eaten?
Oh, that?
Yes, that. What is going on?
She didn't tell me she was hungry.
You're listening to yourself. A little child tell you that she's hungry. What kind of talk is that?
But that's the right thing to do.
What do you mean that's the right thing to do? Will you get down from this bed and go and feed that girl? Why hasn't she eaten? Is there no food in this house?
Wait, babe, why are you blowing this out of proportion?
You're a very wicked person. I don't know how I didn't see this side of you.
All because Adugo hasn't eaten?
Yes.
Then I think you should incorporate babysitting this your precious girl in your schedule.
Christabel, get down and go and give that girl food.
I am not going anywhere. If she wants to eat, she should come tell me. Or better still, you go give her food yourself. Since you're the... Let me not just say anything. He's raising his voice at me because of Adugo. I see. Okay.
It's normal between fathers and daughters now.
My dear friend, my husband is so attached to this girl. She's the apple of his eyes.
His own is quite strange, oh. I mean, if at all, you should be the one doing all these things.
Exactly. But the bond between these two is something else. I can't explain it.
I think you should do something about it before it gets out of hand.
Something like what?
I don't know. IVF, surrogacy, try getting pregnant.
That's the problem. Dave is so relaxed and reluctant about other ideas.
Because of Adugo.
Yes.
This is serious.
Very serious. Very, very serious. I think the only option is for me to just get another child, which is not forthcoming.
Don't give up on yourself now. Keep trying. Hey, do you want your husband to go? Hey,
What do you expect me to do? Because it seems like this girl owns my husband now. Every minute, Adugo this, Adugo that, to the extent that my husband will even raise his voice at me because of Adugo.
So what are you thinking? What do you think is the solution?
Girl, I don't even know. Please, enough of me. What's up with you now? What's going on?
Babe, I'm fine. This is your matter. It's serious now. We need to table this.
Come on, forget about this one. You see, this matter is not going to end anytime soon. So let's just forget it for now. Tell me, give me gist, Jerry. What's up?
Can you help me do my assignments?
It's your assignment, right? Is it mine? Why are you so dumb?
It's mathematics.
And so? Even if it is mathematics, so you cannot do it yourself. Are you trying to tell me that the school fees we pay is in vain? Huh? Come on, get out from me and go and do your assignment yourself. I should do your assignments for you. I don't understand.
Angel, my darling Adugo, What is wrong? What's the problem?
Dad, Mom hates me.
No, don't say that. What happened?
I begged her to help me do my assignment. She shouted at me and called me dumb.
Don't worry. I'm sorry. Mommy was just in a bad mood. Okay, she didn't mean it. And you're not dumb. You're not dumb. Okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Let me just go and freshen up and I'll come and do your assignment with you. Alright?
Okay, Daddy.
Please, she was in a bad mood and she didn't mean it. So you're not dumb, okay? Okay, darling, I'm coming.
Bro, what I can't seem to understand is why Christabel is so mean towards your daughter.
I don't even know. Sometimes I wonder how my daughter copes in my absence.
Well, she has to learn to behave around her.
I love her Adugo so much, man.
Come on, man, you don't need to tell me that. I see how you treat her. I see how you take care of her. Maybe you should just try and talk to Christabel.
I think I haven't done that. I've done that several times. She's just not comfortable around her.
Wow. This doesn't look good. What are you going to do about it?
I don't know. I really don't know. But if my mental health continues to suffer because of her weakness towards Adugo, then I may just have to ask for a divorce.
Oh, come on, man. Divorce?
Huh?
No. You never reach like that.
No, you don't reach. You don't reach.
See, what I think is you should just calm down and try talking to Christabel. Just talk to her again and see where it goes from there.
It's fine. It's fine.
But you still need to look out for your daughter too.
Dave obviously has a plan and it's glaring for the blind to see that I am not in that plan. If not, why is he so relaxed about us not having another child in this house? He's busy taking care of that bad luck of a child. I have to make this house uncomfortable for both of them so that he will do the needful. What rubbish.
Where's Adugo now? Ada? Come. What took you so long?
I was waiting for my lunchbox.
Where's your lunchbox?
Mommy didn't make lunch for me.
It's okay. I'll get you something on our way, okay?
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay, come and sit down. I'll get you something, okay?
Wait, Daddy.
I honestly do not know what he thinks. Like, maybe he thinks I'm a slave to her.
Let her go to school without a lunchbox.
Exactly. By the time he buys her food 2 or 3 times, he will ask why.
Honestly, Dave is living in an absolute illusion.
See, go there, babe. I don't know how to stop this evil child from coming close to me.
It's very simple. Warn her seriously. Tell her not to come. Warn her. She will stop. She should not come near you.
You're right. That's exactly what I will do. I will cut off that her ear. You see that ear? I'll cut it off.
Very simple thing.
Wait, good. No, the thing is really funny. He's expecting me to wake up at what time?
By 5 a.m.
To prepare food for
Precious
me.
woman.
I beg. I don't want to get angry now like this.
That guy is seriously something else.
Christopher, what do you have against that child?
She's not my child.
You've known her since she was a baby. Why the hostility?
I want my own child.
Is she holding your womb?
Who knows?
Your wickedness towards my daughter is beginning to affect my mental health.
I want her out of my house.
So where? You're the only mother she knows. Where do you want her to go?
I want her out.
Yeah, where do you want her to go, to a motherless baby's home?
Yes, let her go to a motherless baby's home. That's what I want. Let her leave my house.
That's never gonna happen. And you know what's going to happen? One day you will snap the elastic limit of my mental health and you will leave my house. One day. One day.
You have 5 minutes to say what you want to say, and I need you to get out of my house.
So now here your mouth, everywhere is soft for you now. So you think I no gay men where they town, will be saying that them be my eye, where they tell me as they go, they tell me the story as they go. Eh?
That is none of your business.
Ellen, I know it's not my business, so I don't care which one will be my business. But my business be say, where is my child?
What child? What child are you talking about? Because the last time I checked, you asked me to abort the child. So what are you talking about? I'm pregnant.
You say what?
I said I'm pregnant.
For who? Come. See, Helen, if not joke you did, if not joke you carry come. For here why they manage, when you know side the squad, they manage my life, I beg stop am. I beg stop am, I don't need that kind of joke. Which can play with that one now? Eh? Who can talk with that one? I beg stop am.
This is not a play, I'm pregnant for you.
You are pregnant for me?
Yes.
Kokomo, Helen, I used to go beg you. I beg for this life why they manage, when you know say things they rough for me. Now you won't come carry your own thing, join am again. So make I come the cater for you again. Now set up, you won't set me up. What you do when you won't set me up now? I beg they go. I beg they go. I know how many people hear my voice. They go.
Austin, I should be going.
They go now. They make I come the use door for you. They go now. They go. They go. I beg. I just go beg you. They go. Ah! You won't set me up? Helene, the last time when me self check, you did not abort any child. Carry me play. Oh.
Austin, don't be stupid. Okay? Don't be stupid.
Helene, make I tell you something. Maybe you don't forget who I be. You feel say I soft now. I know soft. You don't forget just when I be. Today it will be a happy day for you, but the next time when I go come here, it might not be a happy day for you. I swear, Ajay, you not go like her.
Get out of my house. Get out!
I go walk now, nothing. I dey come. You go hear from me now.
Okay. What are you thinking there? Okay. Your books. See your mouth book.
I do go. Here is lunchbox.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome, babe.
Alright, darling, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Be good, okay?
See you later.
Alright.
Mm.
Bye. I think I'm done. Oh, babe! Hey, babe.
No, don't do that. You're a very evil woman. Very evil.
What did I do again?
What didn't you do? You gave Adugo an empty lunchbox. How could you? How could you be so wicked?
Oh, goodness, babe. I'm sorry. I forgot to put the food in the
You
lunchbox.
didn't forget. You're just a very wicked human being.
Come
Give
on.
that child an empty lunchbox. You're wicked.
Babe, can't I forget something again? I forgot. I didn't do it intentionally.
Such a liar. Very wicked. I've never seen a woman like you.
Babe, you called me wicked? Ha! Can't someone forget something again? Why is it making it look like I am wicked? Hey. God, I beg you. Like, don't disturb me.
How can she do that to a little child?
I don't know the woman I married anymore.
I just feel sorry for Adugo.
If I wasn't working, I would have just stayed home and taken care of my daughter.
But did she even try to apologize?
Apologize for what? Something she did intentionally. It was a deliberate act. Apologize for what?
Maybe you should just talk to her again.
No, I'm not going to waste my saliva on that girl. I'm going to be ahead of us. Evil ways. There's no need talking to her. There's no point.
But this doesn't look good. That is wickedness.
It was a deliberate act. Very intentional. That's wickedness. Can you imagine?
You need to do something, Dave. But take it easy. Just cheer up for a bit. Just take it easy.
No, how?
Just calm down. We'll sort it.
How dare you barge into my house?
Ellen, give me my pikin. Give me my own mama. I live here now.
You really must have the guts to walk into my house to be asking me stupid questions that I have no answers to.
Ellen, I'll tell you something. It go favor you. It go favor you. Say you use your church mind. Give me my only begotten pikin. Make I live here. Ellen, you dey forget me. You dey forgetting that me be the Austin, the bad guy. The guy wey fit do anything and undo. That's because I come soft.
Austin, you're very stupid. You're actually very senseless and shameless. Did you forget what you did to me?
And let me tell you something. The thing when I do you na between you and I. If you dey go church, you suppose know say na between you and I. You no concern my pikin. You won't follow me, you follow me. Nothing concern my pikin. My pikin innocent now. Give me my pikin, make her leave. What is your problem?
There is no child, Austin.
No child. That is, my pikin no dey exist. Elena, I go sue you. I go smash you.
I dare you, Austin.
Elena, you dare me.
Yes.
You dare me. Elena, you go hear from me.
Austin, please get out of my house.
I should get out of your house.
Yes, please leave my house.
Oh, you can't move me now. Just because I be soft for you. Go bring my child, come, Elena.
Austin, get out of my house.
Elena, if you don't bring my pikin, I will lose this house. I will burn this house today. Let's say you don't forget me. I dey carry, I dey follow you, dey soft. If it's a joke. Match what I take time, play, I target, enter. And you want your Elena, you bad though, you wicked. Go bring my pikin, man, use my church, man, carry my pikin, they go. But if you get anything with the job, break up. Now what house be this? I follow get the house.
If I had known what I know now, I would have never let you go. Somehow, the thought of losing you cuts like a knife. Now I see you're the love of my life. I try to let you go, but the more I try, the more I miss you so. Oh, I need a second chance to make it right. In my dark world, you were my life. My little baby, I want you back.
Darling, Angel. What's wrong? Oh, you're burning up. Okay, come. Come. Take you to the hospital. It's alright. you're so...
I need you here with me, by my side. Please come back to me, my little baby. I never realized how much you mean to me, till you're no longer in my routine. Your presence brings me joy and life. Please come back, make everything right. I'll hold you tight, never let you go. I promise to love you more than you know. Just say the word, and I will make it right. My little baby.
Forgive me, Mom.
Oh my God.
My little baby, please come back to me. I'll cherish you forever. Just wait and see. I need you in my life. I just in a fog. My little baby, come back to me. My love, my little heart.
Sorry. It's funny.
Hello? Hello, is anybody here?
What be that?
Hi. Please, I wanted to confirm something.
First things first, identify yourself. Who you be?
My name is Helen, like I said. I want to confirm something. Do you have any idea if there's a 6-year-old girl living in this compound?
Egbe! So Nana! You finally find my doorstep! You say now here you won't go for do your wishy work.
No. It's nothing like that.
6 years old begin do, if I may ask?
I'm looking for my daughter.
Your daughter?
Yes.
So, you are the ritualist everybody for this estate they talk about. You walk out from door to door, they find picking when you want to do rituals.
No.
It will not work for you.
No, it's nothing like that. I mean no harm.
I rebuke you. In the name of Jesus. See, madam, if I bite your nose, my daughter, you now say, "Listen back! Move!"
I mean no harm.
I say make you discharge. Why go kidnap somebody when they my very watch? You must be a ritualist. I know people like you. Come here now. Tie your nose, I will chop it off. See how person be. Guests of these days are not smiling. I cover you with the blood of Jesus. You will not see her in the name of Jesus. Rubbish. So, I got mad guard. Well, I got shut my eye. Well. All these young girls, they are not smiling. I got my eyes on you. Rubbish. So, madam, I thought they warned you since. You know 1 year, abi? You still got that liver, hard courage join. Come my house again. Go back.
I'm looking for my daughter.
Now, another scope. The last time you came here, you say, if there is any 6 years old baby in this house, now you are looking for your daughter. But now you put picking for this house when you define.
I'm serious.
There's nobody in this house. There's no 6 years old baby in this house. Go back to where you are coming from. Then go.
Please.
God. Madam, I go bite your nose, oh. I'm not a joke. I go bite your nose.
Okay, fine. Name your price.
They don't see me finish. So all these things when they talk since they enter here, they come out through here. Madam, you can't buy me. You can never buy me. In fact, I don't get price. I'm priceless.
500,000.
Madam, I said I am priceless. Go back to where you are coming from. I go bite your nose. You think about those Ikelebe, when you go just come money for, they go just fall Yakata. Madam,
1 million.
I don't do anything. You say what?
1 million naira. Please. I'm begging you, I need to see my child.
See, madam, that one could be very difficult. I must tell you the truth. Yes, they very hard. Now my oga, precious Joel be that. My oga no dey use her play. You understand? And besides, she no dey come out for this house. She dey always stay indoors. So for you to see her, I doubt it could be possible. Yeah. But, madam, why you people do that kind of thing? Eh? You just fine, you don't get conscience.
Look, you're not going to understand,
Madam,
okay?
you don't get conscience, just admit. You get stone heart. Not nice now. What do you do? Not jail. Not good.
Look, and I've been regretting it, okay? I've been regretting it ever since. But please, I need to see my child.
You just got regret them. Yeah. Regret them well. Because you know, palash. Not nice. I must tell you the fact. Yeah. See, it don't be. It don't happen. So now how will they remedy the situation? Now we can't do. I'll see what I fit do.
Thank you.
Not to thank me. Yeah, you can't begin to go. You understand? Make people not see two of us together.
Okay.
But you will give me your number.
Oh, God bless
if
you.
If I come up with anything, with any plan, when you go remedy the situation, I'll put you on call.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
But madam, you don't get conscience. So I must tell you the truth. You don't get conscience. Eh? Alright, I will put you on call.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm doing all this because of my 1 million. Oh.
I know.
I know the two
trust me. You will get your money.
I know the two trust fair ladies.
Thank you.
Fair ladies. 1 million. I'll trust you. For people get mad, yeah?
Yeah, she's home. She's recuperating. I need the services of a nanny ASAP.
What's that?
Yeah. No, I don't mind. I'll pay. I just need the services of a nanny. Yeah, I mean, imagine what would have happened to my daughter if I didn't come out at the time I did. She doesn't care. Can't force her to. All right. Yeah. No problem.
Sir, good evening, sir. You're welcome,
Yeah,
sir.
I don't know.
Are you fine, sir?
Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay.
No be problem, sir. Just that I hear you when you dey make phone call this morning. The tell person say you dey find nanny for your daughter, Adugo.
Yeah.
So?
I want to tell you, say, I know person when if you do the job and you go do am well.
Is this person literate?
Yes, yes. She go school. She go school well.
Okay, invite her now. Let's assess her.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
She go fall in right away. Okay, I don't believe your government. You don't get stressed at all. If not so other oga be, man, not gonna, do anyhow now. This one corporate, this one get wisdom. You get why? With Yakma. That's my boss there. No wahala. Okay, I go this way. Yes. Very nice and saucy.
Hello, Moses. What's up?
Yeah, I do fine. Everywhere good. I do fine. On your side.
What's up with the plan?
Yes, so there's a plan. Something just come up now. Say make a quick update you.
Okay, so what is it?
The thing be say, my oga they find nanny for your pikin. So the plan here be say, I want make you come in as a nanny. You come apply for the job of a nanny for house. Abi, you like am?
Okay, that sounds good.
Bring something for me if you dey come o. 1 million.
I told you don't have a problem with that.
Okay. Now tomorrow you come back. All right. Tomorrow now, if at all.
Have you done this job before, this sort of job?
Yes, I have, sir.
You good with kids?
Yes, sir, I am.
Sorry about that. Are you good with kids?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So this is the apple of my eye. Please handle her with care.
Does this mean I get the job?
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. So when do I start?
Well, you can start tomorrow. You could stay here. There are a lot of rooms here.
Okay, sir.
And you have the weekend to yourself.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Darling, do you like your nanny?
Yes, Daddy, she's very beautiful.
All right, so you can go.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. I'll take my leave now.
All right.
Bye.
You like her, eh? You'll bond well with her. You listen to her, whatever she says. Okay? You didn't say anything. Christopher. It's okay, honey. Bring the remote for me.
Wakey. Adugo, wake up.
Good morning, Auntie.
Good morning, my angel. Wake up, it's time to go to school.
Auntie, can I sleep more?
No, my darling. You can't, but I promise when you come back from school, you take a nap, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go to the...
Thank you.
Let's go and shower. There we go. Adugo, calm down so you'll not be late for school. Hey.
Good morning, Auntie.
Good morning. So here's your lunchbox. Bye. Have a nice day at school.
Helen.
Oh, yes, ma, you called.
Yes, I called. I want you to listen to these warnings attentively.
Okay.
Stop wasting my food in that kitchen for that girl.
I'm sorry, ma. Who?
Are you stupid or mad to interrupt me?
Sorry, ma.
Stop wasting my food for Adungo. Okay?
Yeah, yes, ma, I've heard you.
Good. Secondly, allow her to do things herself. Stop over-pampering her. Understood?
Okay, ma.
Get out.
Okay, ma.
How are you coping with the changes around here?
My sister, I feel much better. Hey, babe, I forgot to give you this gist. Can you believe that even the nanny is worshipping this little rat?
You don't mean it?
Ha! As in, there is this connection between the both of them. A very strong connection, very strong one.
What's connecting them?
I don't know.
Oh, wait. Why have a living nanny?
It's all Dave's idea. I mean, he's the one paying her, not me. Ha!
You need to go for that your checkup now. I wonder why Dave is so fixated on not making any effort to have his own children.
Girl, it is the effect of that evil child. Okay, you can imagine why her mother dumped her in the first place.
You need to go for that your checkup now.
I will. You won't tell me twice. I will.
Don't give up on having your own children.
Never. I have to go.
Keep trying. You need to keep trying.
Because this is getting out of hand. It's getting too much.
Honestly. Which one is they have connection? Connection from where?
You asked me. I want to
God, I beg you. Abisha has bewitched her. You might not bewitch him.
I don't know. I don't know.
I am the worst ever. Why? Why did I have to subject my child to this kind of emotional trauma? I don't think I can ever forgive myself.
If I had known what I know now, I would have never let you go. Somehow, the thought of losing you cuts like a knife. Now I see.
How was school today? So, did you finish your lunch today?
No.
Okay, it's fine.
Good evening, Mom.
You know what? How about you tell me everything that happened in school today? So did you meet your friend Amaka?
Bro, you look really happy.
My daughter is in safe hands.
Wow. That is to say the nanny is good.
Oh, my brother, you should see the connection that they have. Amazing, superb.
Wow. I'm just wondering, what is about things about this connection?
Let's forget about that, please.
Come on, man. You're talking about your wife.
Yeah, and I'm talking about my daughter.
Anyway, my concern is Adugo. I'm just happy she's happy.
Yeah, she's very happy. Extremely happy. I've not slept so good in a long while.
Oh, you can finally rest.
I can rest.
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for myself.
I know, right?
Ah! Man. This is what it's supposed to be.
Yeah, at least you can be free around the house and just...
I'm happy.
Adugo! Adugo!
Ma, is there a problem?
What's the meaning of this rubbish? Who did this?
I'm sure Adugo must have forgotten to take her place to the kitchen.
Exactly why I am calling her. Get her to come clean it up.
Ma'am, she's sleeping right now.
Go wake her up now.
Don't worry, ma. I can just...
I said you should go wake that daughter up with nobody up. Babe, Adogo's nanny needs to go.
Why?
I don't like the way she's pampering her. That's not how to raise a child.
Yeah, but I like her and she's good with Adugo. What's the problem?
I said I don't want her. What are you trying to say? That I don't have a say in this case?
I don't have time for this now, please, I beg.
You don't have time for this. You saw this song you're playing, get ready to dance to it. Did you hear me? Just get ready to dance to it. Anytime I talk about anything, it seems like I don't have a say, like I don't have the right to talk or to do anything in this house. Everything Adugo does is right. Everything Anani does is right. It's fine, no problem. Helen? Helen!
Yes, ma. Do you need anything?
What are you doing?
I'm making breakfast.
Aren't you taking a day off? It's Saturday.
No, I'm not, ma.
Why?
I have Adugo's laundry to do today, ma.
Get out.
Would that
Get
be all?
lost!
Yes, ma.
You're doing Adugo's laundry. Rubbish.
If I had known what I know now, I would have never let you go. Somehow, the thought of losing you cuts like a knife. Now I see you're the love of my life. I try to let you go, but the more I try, the more I miss you so. Oh, I need a second chance to make it right. In my dark world, you are my life. My little baby, I want you back. I can't go on without you. I've lost my track. I need you here with me, by my side. Please come back to me, let's turn back the tide. I need you here with me, by my side. Please come back to me, my little baby. I never realized how much you meant to me, till you're no longer my routine. Your presence brings the joy and light. Please come back, make everything right.
Hello? This is Helen? Who is this? Who?
Austin. How did this guy get my number? This guy is beginning to torment me.
Be my guiding light. My little baby, I want you back. I can't go on without you.
Honey, see all this gradual what they do not in my mind. Me, I know say you don't hate me for life. But I use the God when you dey serve, beg you. I beg. When my pikin dey,
What child are you talking about, Austin? The one you gave me money to abort?
Helen, if now you dey my shoe, you know how it be for me that year. That year it was so rough. You know tell me I no fit feed myself. It hard for me. And it hard for me to even feed you and the unborn child. I just go beg you.
So you have money to feed 2 people now?
At least a day is better for me now. At least I feel beat my chest. Yeah, I feel run out for you and my pikin. I just go beg you. Give me my pikin.
Austin, there's no child.
Why you dey do me like this now? I no be small child now. At least I get your picture where you carry belle. And why you dey want me? Abi you don't sell my pikin.
Austin, you're very stupid. You're actually very senseless for you to walk into my house and accuse me of selling my own child.
I mean, no vex now. No vex. Forget wetin I talk. I still beg you. Give me my pikin. I beg. Forget the talk when I talk. Just give me my pikin.
Austin, there is no child.
Why your mind strong like this now? You don't get your mind strong past stone. Oh. I beg now. I dey beg you. See, just at the cry. Na man abi you. Eh?
Why is your book everywhere?
Good evening, Mom.
I asked you a question. Why is your book everywhere? Stand up, I'm talking to you! Why is your book everywhere? Can't you answer me? Answer me. Hey!
Don't push my child like that again. What is wrong with you? Do you want to kill her?
Your child? What do you mean?
There's a note. There's a note.
Who could have kept this child here? Help me help this mom.
Help a helpless mom. I know that Babe, I think we should, what do you think? I think we should take her in.
Anywhere.
No, we can't leave her here. We don't know who.
So what are you insinuating?
No, I know that we've been trying for a child for a while, but we could adopt her.
No way.
This could be the beginning
You
of...
cannot take this child into my house.
This could be the beginning of good things. We never know.
No! Call the police or the estate management to come take this child. Do you want somebody to come to this house and call us and start saying that we have stolen their child? Come on, babe. We can't take this child. What are you saying? Please, let's go.
No, wait. We're trying for a child. This, who knows, this could be our breakthrough. And we could...
Babe, you're joking. You're joking, right? You will not touch this. Whoever owns this child should come and pick this child up. Let's go in.
Just wait. We can't leave her here.
Call the estate management to come and pick this child. Do not take this evil child inside my house. You're not going to do it.
No.
You will not take this child in.
We're going to adopt this
No
child.
way. You will call the police or the estate management to come and take this child. This evil child will not enter this house. Where do you think you're going?
Stop. Don't do this.
Where do you think you're going?
A scene. We're outside.
You cannot take this evil child inside this house. Do you know who dropped the child here and why they dropped her? Please call the estate management or you call the police to take the child in. No, I'm not going to let you do that.
Don't do that. Don't.
Babe!
Yes, my child. Stop laying your filthy hands on her. She's not the cause of your childlessness, okay? Wow.
What are you saying? What was written on the note?
Help a helpless mother.
You're a liar. You're a liar. You were obviously planted here to ruin our home.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not proud of what I did. I only did what I thought was best at the time.
Just get out. Get out of my house. Get out!
I'm really sorry, sir.
He said you should leave.
I only came here just to bond with her.
Get out! Get out!
If I had known
Fast about
what I know now, I would have never let you go. Somehow, the thought of losing you cut like a knife. Now I see you're the love of my life. I try to let you go, but the more I try, the more I miss you so. Oh, I need a second chance to make it right. In my dark world, you are my light. My little baby, I want you back. I can't go on without you. I've lost my track. I need you here with me, by my side. Please come back to me, let's turn back the tide. I need you here with me, by my side. Please come back to me, my
Adugo.
little baby.
What is wrong with you?
Mom, where is Auntie Helen?
She's gone.
Why? Who will help me with my assignments?
I will. I'll be a better mom from now on, okay?
I am used to your shouting and name calling. I want Auntie Helen back. She makes me feel better.
I messed up. What happened to me? I used to love this child so much. Why did I change? Now, my husband is not home. He's grieving. And I don't even know what to do at this point. I thought I wanted this. Why am I feeling so bad? This is a difficult one.
No, sorry. I'm so sorry. I had a meeting with my investors. They want to acquire some property at the seafront.
Oh, wow.
That one is, sells like hotcake.
Oh, that's fine. So how did the meeting go?
Yeah, went well. Very fruitful. We're in business.
Good to know. Yeah, about Helen.
Mm.
I think you should see her, at least to find out what she has in mind.
Oh, my daughter was legally adopted. I don't want to fight. I never thought it would come to this.
Well, I understand how you feel, but you have to brace up. Yeah, you have to brace up and sort this thing amicably with Helen before it affects Adugo's mental health.
I don't even know where to start from.
Oh, the best place to start is to set up a meeting. Just meet her, hear from her, find out what she has in mind.
Yeah, that's okay, but I don't want to give up my daughter just like that now.
Nobody is giving up anybody. Adugo is not a commodity. Just meet up with her. I'm sure you guys can reach a peaceful resolution.
I pray so.
Yeah, just cheer up. You're not taking anything.
No.
That is strange.
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
I'm good.
This is your favorite.
I'm good.
Okay, so how much is your what?
Just classified, bro.
It's not classified. I'm your friend.
Classified.
You don't want to give me part of it.
This is not time for self-pity.
My husband is so devastated. Adugo is sad. I don't even know what to do right now.
Christabel, go figure yourself. Go to the hospital and figure out why you're unable to give birth.
You're right. I think that's what I'll do.
You think? But now, wow, things are happening now. Your nanny. Now, wow.
The bond between them says it all. Be fast with whatever you have to say.
Please, I want my daughter back. I mean, she has missed motherly love all these years and I want to be a mom to her. I know that you do not want her in this house and I'm only here to help you, achieve your aim.
What are you saying? You want my daughter? The same child you threw out in the cold to die? I raised that child from the moment you dumped her. She is my child and not yours.
But you hate her.
You're so delusional. You think that I hate her? And I didn't kill her a long time ago? Think again.
I see the way you talk to her and the way you treat her.
Do you know how frustrated it can be if you don't have your own child? So if I let out my anger on her, does it mean I hate her?
But she's not the cause of your childlessness. She's not.
Enough. You're here to mock me, right?
Look, like I said, I come in peace. I just want my daughter. And I need you to talk to your husband.
Leave my house. Get out.
Eileen, you can't mind you. Why you go do that kind of thing now?
You abandoned me. My family deserted me. I couldn't breastfeed my baby. And I did not have any money to buy baby food. What did you expect me to do at that point?
Sorry now, no vex, huh? No vex. But you know where they live, Abi?
Yes, I'm working there so that I can have access to my child.
You know what? I'll go run out for you. I may still be the host thing where you know. Leave the matter for me. I go solve am. Eh? Yeah. Me dey smile now. You know say my happiness now be say we don't settle back and they give me joy. See, I'm more intense. I get one story where I want to tell you. You go like the story. The story will end with praise. Move on.
Listen, get out of my house.
A small story.
Get out of my house!
Yeah, now.
Open this gate. I say I want to see my daughter.
Madam, I don't tell you. I'm not going to open the gate for you.
Open this gate!
Mama, you calm down. Calm down. See. Don't allow me lose my job. Madam, don't let me lose my job. What's up with all this thing now? Madam, see, you cannot go inside. Madam, no allow me lose my job.
Let's go get out of here.
What's can't be this one now? See, when you go back, nobody's there house.
How are you?
Oh yeah, come.
Come here. You okay?
Hey, come on, leave her alone. Leave her! Leave her. What is wrong with you? Yeah, go inside. Inside! What is it? What are you doing here? Get out. Leave!
Madam, call the go.
I said you should leave.
Madam, they go. I tell her, she know it how. Don't come put me for trouble. Don't come put me for trouble. As soon as they do, small favor when I do for you now, you want to come pursue me, come up for work.
Quiet.
Madam, they go. Don't be me first say make you misbehave. Don't be me say make you misbehave. What when I tell they take care of my family, you want to come sack me? Rubbish.
I don't like that you came to my house to constitute a nuisance.
I'm really sorry, sir.
If you claim Adego's your child, then you wouldn't mind going for a DNA test.
Not at all, sir.
Really?
Yes, it's 100% fine.
Okay. Let's go then. Yeah.
Okay.
If I had known what I know now, I would have never let you go. Somehow, the thought of losing you.
These hospitals can waste a whole day on sample collection. This DNA test will put an end to all this hassle. I can't wait to have my daughter with me. I mean, she's turned into a very lovely girl. Oh, they're asking for a DNA test and I've done that. I'm just waiting for the results.
That kind of thing. And so when would you expect them?
Maybe in a few weeks, but I'll let you know when it's out.
Lee, you know, see me, I don't trust you. Making a job, you say you don't want me.
Austin, what do I stand to gain if I lie? I mean, I want my daughter back too.
No matter now, anyhow, you just holler me so that I go know as they go. You don't understand?
Fine, I'll keep you posted.
No, I'm how they move now.
Please. I want you to be fair in your decision. We are parents too. Please, my husband is devastated.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for causing you and your family so much pain. I've heard all that you have said.
I wish I could change the hands of time. I would have been a better mother to Adugo.
You're a good woman. I mean, not everybody can love somebody else's child.
She's a great child.
And that's because you made her so.
Thank you.
I should be the one thanking you. Thank you so much.
I hope you know Adele was legally adopted.
Yes, I know. I saw the file the other day in your room.
Good. So what do you want?
Well, it's not about me now.
Okay. What do you want? You want us to pay you off? Do you want money? How much do you want?
I beg your pardon, sir. I'm not poor.
Okay, what do you want then?
I only came here to work as a nanny because I wanted to be close to my child.
Okay, that's what we're saying. We're saying the same thing. So what do you want? What do you want?
Her father wants her.
What?
Besides, your wife doesn't like my child. She hates her.
Sorry about that.
It's fine.
What do you want?
I want her to meet with her biological father.
So, I may never have a child because of my reckless life in my university days. I never knew the importance of knowing your resource factor. How would I have known that a negative resource factor needs to be careful with abortion? See my life.
Oh, darling, do you miss your nanny?
Yes, Dad. I wish you were married to Auntie Helen.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Will Auntie Helen come back?
Of course, yes, she will.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, Angel. I love you too, okay? I love you too.
Hey, please.
What?
Please, I'm sorry.
Yeah, sorry. What are you sorry for? You're sorry for what? She's finally going back to her blood. You can't be sorry. What are you sorry for?
Please. I regret my actions.
I regret getting married to you.
Hey, please. I just protect Adogo at all costs. I am really sorry. I'm ready to change.
It's too late for that.
Please, I can't lose her. Please.
If you say you can't lose her, why? She's going back to her blood. Maybe you can have your own child. That's what you always wanted.
No. Please, I don't want her to go. Please, I'm sorry.
You're only sorry for yourself. And I just have something to tell you. If Adogo leaves this house today, this is the day that you will leave too.
Oh no, baby, please, I beg you, babe, please, where are you going, babe? Please, I'm sorry, I beg you, please. Baby, please, I'm sorry.
Yes, I mean, you should be here any moment from now. Let me get the door.
Okay.
Wait. I'm coming.
Austin.
Big bro!
Austin, come.
Ah, big bro! Very good to see you, brother.
Hey, when did you get back from Dubai?
Baba, I never tell. That just 2 months ago.
Wow.
What did he solve now?
You guys know each other?
Know each other. This one I'm either bro now.
Wait a minute, I am kind of confused. You mean this is your brother you told me was in Dubai?
Yes.
Wow. What is
Please sit down.
Hey, Baba.
Sit down. Yes.
Baba, blood no fit fail. God no fit fail me. Now your woman be.
Yes. Yes.
Baba, I appreciate you. I'm happy for you.
I'm still in shock, guys.
I'm shocked for waiting, and my senior bro be this now. Eh?
I think, maybe God, I don't know, I sense God's hand in all of this,
Yeah.
Baba, my joy is at least my pikin in your hand. I know be saying I just my pikin, I still your pikin.
Yeah.
God bless you, Baba.
Thank you.
I really hope that you guys would allow me to see her once in a while.
Of course. Why not?
Okay, thank you so much.
And please, I'm really sorry. I promised to take care of Adugo. Okay? She's a priceless jewel.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Helen. Thank you, Austin. The burden has been lifted right now. And, Austin, welcome. You should come by the office so that I can sort you out with some money.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I thank you. Baba, me tomorrow at the show. God bless you.
Bless you too, brother.
Thank you so much.
Shock.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not God.
Everybody, please come.
Come on.
Please come back to me, my little baby. I never realized how much you mean to me till you're no longer in my routine. Your presence brings me joy and life. Please come back, make everything right. I'll hold you tight, never let you go. I promise to love you more than you know. Just say the word, and I will make it right. My little baby, be my guiding light. My little baby, I want you back.